The bond for the suspect of a double homicide cut in half. News Center 25's Valerie Perez shares more.
On the evening of Friday, September 21st, 2018, two victims named Michelle Johnson and Ward Kitchens were found dead. After this incident occurred on Jecker Street, the VPD SWAT team sent a robot to find the victims. At the time, Kimberly Hoff, the first suspect, was charged for 2 counts of murder, tampering with evidence, and failure to identify for lying about her name. Jesus Martinez Jr., a second suspect connected to the case, was charged with 2 counts of murder and tampering with evidence. Right now, Jesus Martinez is on house arrest and his bond has been decreased from $200,000 down to $101,000. Victoria District Attorney Constance Philly Johnson explains the judicial process, reasoning for his release and this deduction.
So every person charged with a crime in the United States is entitled to the presumption of innocence, and hand in hand with that, under constitutional protections, everyone that's charged with a criminal offense in the United States is entitled to bail. Bail is simply the amount of money that a person must put up in order to ensure that they will appear for their trial or any hearings related to their trial once a person's been accused of a crime.
Bail is not a fine and it cannot be used as punishment. It's simply an assurance that a person will come to their trial for their hearings.
The defendant in this case was entitled to a reduced bond. That amount went from in the $200,000 range down to $101,000. The defendant was able to post that bond and he was ordered on house arrest for a 1-month time period until we do go to trial next month.
The court plans to hold the trial in November. For your hometown news, I'm Valerie Perez.